So here in our second video we are starting our verifying process, that we have to verify that our alpha plus beta is 2 and a product of 0 means alpha into beta is minus 8 or not. So here we will see that in last lecture I already told you that if we want to find sum of the zeros, that is minus b by a. So here we have to see that what is minus b. So that is minus over here, that we have to write, and our b is also minus, so again in a bracket we have to write that minus 2. What is the value of a? So a is equals to 1, so here we have to write that 1. Minus minus will become plus, means the value is 2. Here sum of the 0 means alpha plus beta you got as 2 by this process also, and from this process again sum of the 0 you got as 2. Now here we will find product of the 0. So I already told you that product of the 0 is c by a, means you have to check your c. Your c is minus 8 with the symbol you have to write, and the value of a is 1, so you have to write 1 over here. Means your product means alpha into beta, that is equals to minus 8. And your alpha plus beta is 2. Now from both the process you got same value. Here you can see from this method simply you got zeros, and if you are adding your zeros means alpha plus beta you got 2. If you are doing product of it means alpha into beta you got minus 8. And by this process if you are verifying it, the sum of the 0 is 2 again, and the product of the 0 is minus 8. Means from both this process you got same answer. So you will write here that it is, we got zeros also. So zeros are you got as 4 and minus 2. And in a question they ask us that for the quadratic polynomial we have to find zeros and verify the relationship. So we will say that it is verified. So as I told you how to solve the question, here will be your homework, that find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify it. Here are the two questions that you have to solve, and you have to verify by using both the methods, and at the end you have to show the answer that how many zeros you got and it is verified or not. See you in a next video with the rest of the exercise.